Okay, so this is going to be totally up to you guys. I'm not really supposed to do this legally, but I'm going to do it anyway. You probably know I have tons of EST messages upon other messages. I'm going to open up the voice of act folder, but, where is it? Actually, that's the software that runs EST3 and EST2. I'm going to do that when I get it. I gotta get the key, too. Wheelock, Vimpex, Tones, Simplex, Silent Night, Music, Miscellaneous Tones 1, 2, Firelight, Federal, Signo, Notifier. Where's the Notifier file? I don't know why it's not on there. It should be. EST Tones 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. EST Messages. Here it is. I'm going to open up file 5. I'm going to open up the normal one. Now you tell me, because I'm pretty sure I think I've heard this as a Simplex message before. I'm not sure. But I want your opinion, whether it is. I'm pretty sure one of you can tell me.
Attention, please. An emergency has been recorded. All occupants go to the nearest stairwell exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevators. Walk to the nearest stairway.
I'm pretty sure it's in my Simplex folder somewhere. I was just looking at it with Matt, or a Video Gamer 24385. He just hung up, but I mean, my Simplex folder is filled with messages. I think I have like 50 messages from Simplex. And there's ones in many other different languages as well. There's ones from Australia, from other countries. I can just play one quickly. That's the alert. I'm pretty sure this is the slow whoop. Yep, this is the 16-bit one.
Evacuate as directed. Evacuate as directed.
There's that one. That's just a funny looking one, sounding one. But that does sound like an EST one. I mean a Simplex one, but that's for you to decide. You tell me whether it is or not.